Okay, this is going to be the first start after repairing the burnt wire that I found under the seat. It was a burnt ground wire. I fixed that, replaced that. I also extended the fuse out where you could get at it easier. And I'll show you that. This is your main fuse up here. I extended the wiring so you could get at it by just taking the seat off. And here's a spare fuse that's been on the bike for a while. I just moved it up where you could get at it. I replaced this starter switch right here. This is on. It's a kill switch. And this is the starter. So we're going to turn on the ignition and give her a shot and see if the bike will start. This is going to be fun. I'll hold this here. Not bad for a bike that hasn't been run in a while. Doesn't like any doesn't like throttle when it's cold. Alright, let's give her a shot.